Hi. I'm Marty Dietz, Country Sustainability Manager at IKEA. I'm excited to be teaching Environmental Management and Sustainability Strategy course with Elevator. This course was made for managers and business leaders who want to deepen their knowledge on sustainability and move toward more sustainable business practices, professionals working in sustainability field interested in broadening their knowledge and advancing to management positions, and really anyone interested in careers in environmental and sustainable management. Organizations across the world are realizing the importance of addressing climate change, and there's a growing demand for positions in sustainability. So now would be the perfect time to take an upskilling course to give you that competitive edge in the field. In 14 lessons, we will cover various areas of sustainability and environmental management and how it applies to different industries. We'll talk of the importance of addressing climate change now and how we can move toward net zero through biodiversity and resource management, corporate sustainability strategies, regulations and governing bodies, and community engagements. We'll go deep on topics like circular economy and how to leverage tools like frameworks and life cycle assessments, eco-design, or materiality assessment to support your current or future sustainability goals. Other topics like renewable energy or environmental education and public awareness, which will give you a broader perspective of the field of sustainability. The assignments will give you a hands-on experience. We'll be developing strategies, analyzing and improving operations, conducting life cycle assessments, drawing up proper reporting for sustainable audits, and educating employees and the public on sustainable practices. After taking this course, you'll be able to develop sustainability strategies, conduct organizational, product, and services assessments, improve sustainable practices in accordance with proper standards and regulations, and educate your teams and the public accordingly. On top of that, we'll get to look at real-life examples of current organizations implementing the above measures and procedures to give you a clear view on the role of environmental manager or sustainability strategist in the field. I'm incredibly excited to be teaching this course. See you in class.